Hey guys, what is up? I wanted to do a FTX tutorial feature today, only because I am so impressed with this broker that, I wanted to show you how cool it is. And for those of you who've never used it before, or, you've used Binance and now they no longer allow leverage trading, so that's why I've moved to FTX, which I am so happy I signed up to months and months ago, because that means that they still allow leverage trading at 10x and over. However, I think if you join up now and want to do leverage trading there, then they only allow up to, 3x at the moment. So that's not so great for new users. However, if you signed up ages ago, it's good, but I recommend signing up anyway, just for the ease of use. I really like how easy it is to buy coins, send coins on there, and then swap coins. You would just go to the spot wallet and convert from coin to coin. It is so easy to do. Today I wanted to show you how to basically place a leverage trade. So I will go to a trade that I have open on Ethereum at the moment to show you, because Ethereum is absolutely pumping at the moment. And I placed a limit buy order last night. So that means, I put it in last night expecting it to reach a certain price, and today I saw that it had picked up. So I'm so happy that I did that before I went to bed, because now I woke up finding myself in this current pump that's going on. Markets are just absolutely pumping. I think it's because just yesterday Bitcoin ETFs were approved, and that's all over Twitter. And us traders like to follow what's going on Twitter. So as soon as I saw that posted on there, I was like, markets are going to pump. So I got into BTC and ETH long positions, and I'm so glad I'm doing it on FTX now. I've recently this is my third day trading on here, and I absolutely love it. So I can just show you how easy it is to do. I mean, even I'm just using 5x leverage on my trades anyway. So even if you're new and it's good because you could just use low leverage to get used to trading. You don't need large leverage to do well. So 5 is my maximum at the moment, and I'm doing good with that. So this feature here is really cool because you can put in your percentages, and you can put your take profit and stop loss all in one go, which I love doing. Saves time. So say I wanted to enter now at market. I'll always use a 1% stop loss no matter what, because that's my rule with trading. Never lose more than 1% per trade. Let's just say I'm entering now at market. I would be typing this out. This is not something that I know beforehand. This is something I would chart on TradingView first to see where I wanted to take profit, and then either type in the number or type in the gain. And then this is what's really cool when you use leverage. So let's just say I want to do this on a $5,000 account. Then it shows me my profit, what I would make in this trade, or what I would make, or what I would lose if I got stopped out. So to me, this is a good risk to reward. Make sure that the risk to reward is always worth it when I enter a trade, before I place my order. So that is how easy it is to enter a trade on FTX. You type it all in, and then you just press place orders, and then it enters you. And what I really like about it too is that you can actually adjust these. If you click on it, you can actually move it up and down at any time. So I'm not going to adjust it right now, but I really like that feature. You can move it up and down. And then, yeah, that's why I really like FTX right now. It's so easy to use. So much easier than Binance was actually, and so much better. So I highly recommend it. So as you can see, my ETH long, I entered with that risk to reward on a $5,000 account, and currently in profit. Here, I'm not taking profit yet. I still think ETH is going to pump even more, so I'll just stay in this position. I think that I'll go to my TradingView chart to show you my analysis on ETH just quickly, but this is more just to introduce people to FTX and how to use it. I'll do that at the end. I'll do an ETH analysis at the end. If you're already a trader, you'd understand. But yeah, so that just goes to show how good FTX is. I really, really love it. I'm a convert. Thank you, FTX. And also, I really like the founder of it. Like, he is a young dude who is basically a billionaire now, because he made his money from trading arbitrage, apparently. So super impressed that a young dude, I think the world's youngest billionaire, if you just Google him, he's the creator of FTX, and awesome. And he's a really good dude. Like, he wants, he gives back, and he actually, what really impressed me, and this is why I'm doing an FTX tutorial right now, is because of this dude that's founded it. He's like, super, super good. Like a good human being that wants to give back. I think the article I read was with Forbes. He was saying that he basically wants to give all his, billions away for the greater good. So, amazing founder. That gives me a good reason to promote FTX, because someone cool is in charge. And yeah, what else can I say about FTX? Yeah, they've basically got everything too. They've also got, what is it? So yeah, you can also deposit fiat, and they've got NFTs, and they've got stocks you can buy as well, although I wouldn't recommend getting into some stocks at the moment. But yeah, the NFT section, let me show you that. It's really cool. Yeah, so one thing I really like is that FTX are behind this new play to earn game that I've just found out about, which I'll do another video on. This one's just about FTX, but they are supporting this game, which I will reveal in my next video. So yeah, if you've got any questions at all, hit me up. I'll put a link to sign up to FTX. You'll get a 10% rebate below. Yeah, happy trading. Cheers. Yeah, I forgot to mention that besides loving FTX, I also have their native token, FTT, which I highly, highly recommend holding, only because if FTX, it does anything like what Binance coin did, which I do think is going to happen because it's such a good broker. I think it's going to, at the moment, it's around 50. So I do think there's a 5x potential in the FTT token. And the cool thing about it is that you can actually stake it. And if you're going to trade on here, it's good to actually hold FTT, because you get fee rebates. So I'm holding my FTT. I'm actually staking it at the moment on FTX as well, which is a passive income stream. So yeah, all in all, I really highly rate FTX. Out of all the brokers, the other brokers that I looked at to sign up to, I'm just most impressed with this platform. Cheers.